So when you've been doing this job for a long time, I think there's a risk of getting desensitized. I don't believe that my office is, but sometimes you see things over and over that are relatively similar. And then there are cases like this that absolutely stand out. Now, as you know, over the years we've done a lot of cases of assaults on children, we've done a lot of cases of possession of child pornography, but we haven't really gotten a lot of cases of the actual creation of it. So the act, the horrible abuse, then documenting it, and then broadcasting it. And that's what we're talking about in this case. It's a standout for so many reasons. Thankfully, the children involved now are doing well. No guarantee that that's going to last, but thankfully we got them out of there and have them involved with services. That means they're doing well. So that's the most important thing in a case like this. Then you have to turn your attention to the offender. The most telling thing to me is what Dr. Stein said, who's done thousands of these evaluations. In the sexually violent predator hearing, Dr. Stein opined that this defendant's in the top 1% of the 2,000 some evaluations that he's done in terms of likelihood to recidivate, and that's or to reoffend, and that's an absolute danger to the community. You know, there just comes a time in crimes like this when you have to lock people up. This is one of those cases. So we're pleased with the sentence. Obviously, we asked for a very significant sentence. There were good and valid reasons for that. My assistant made an excellent argument. The judge took that into consideration, and the judge imposed a sentence that will keep this defendant in jail essentially for the rest of his life.
I mean, up to 90 years. I don't know if